1/2 divide 3. Here I have unit fraction divide whole. When your divisor is a whole, it means you want to know the share of each whole in this fraction. I have a chocolate and I want to split it equally or distribute it among 3 friends. So what is the share of each one friend in these half chocolates? To solve this problem using modeling, I will draw the tape diagram. The first number, which is the dividend, will be drawn. So I'm gonna draw these half. To draw half, I will make one tape diagram because this half is part of one whole, so I need to draw only one. The denominator means I will split this one whole into 2 parts because the denominator is the one who has the scissors. So I cut it into 2 equal parts, and the number up is the colored part, so I will color only one part. So to draw 1/2, I will draw one tape diagram, split it into 2, and color only one part. This is half a chocolate only I have, so I have to distribute it equally among 3 friends. So I will cut it into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. To split into 3 parts, you have to draw only 2 lines. So, what is the share of each friend? This part will be for the first friend, and this is for the second one, and this is for the third one. So this part is the share of each one of my friends. So this is the quotient I want to write, or this is the answer. Let's write this fraction. Can you write this fraction? Yes, I'm gonna make the fraction part. How many colored parts do you have now? It's only one part. Out of how many parts? 1, 2, 3. I have to divide the rest of the whole to get the right denominator down. Because to write any fraction, you have to write the colored parts up and the total parts down. 1, 2, 3, and we'll split it also into 3 parts. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be 1/6. This is the share of each one friend in this fraction. Another question, 2 divide 1/3. Here I have whole divide unit fraction. When your divisor is a fraction, so you want to know the number of fractions in this whole. So how many 1/3 in these 2? To solve this problem using modeling, I will draw the first number, which is the dividend. So going to draw 2 wholes. I'll use the tape diagram, 1 and 2. They are the 2 whole. These 2 whole should be splitted into groups, each group of size 1/3, and count how many group will you have. So let's break it into 3 parts because I know that the denominator is the scissors. So I will cut each one whole into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to draw only 2 lines, and I'll count how many group of 1 here because each part now is 1/3. This fraction is 1/3, and this is 1/3, 1/3, and this is part is 1 out of 3. So how many thirds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the answer is 6, and it means that I have 6 parts of 1/3 in these 2. These 2 consisting of 6 3 1/3.